but we've got under the library tab, you'll see a new tab called resources. In
Uh-huh.
there, we have 2 sample contracts that are medical director contracts. Um,
Oh,
and the good news is there's everything in there now. So we've got like pre-treatment documents, post-treatment documents. We've got a bunch of videos that are mock consultations for different types of treatments that you're going to give. And there's also everything you need to consider if you're starting your own practice, checklists, and these 2 sample contracts. So all of that, but you have to be a full access member for that. But the bright side is it's $69.95 one time, and you end up getting full access to all the videos, all of the resources. We're going to constantly pile on more resources in there, especially after every one of these sessions. It motivates me to do a ton and add a ton. So based on what I'm hearing. So if you guys want access to that, please just jump in as a full access member and you're going to get all of that.